beautiful. Yeah.
Today, I'm heading into Hoi An's Baimo coconut forest, where riding a basket boat is one of the top things to do in Hoi An.
Thấy chưa? Cái không trải nghiệm đủ rồi.
And is this just a tourist stop or must-try experience? Let's find out together.
Gadt Travel. Now we go to Coconut Forest.
The vibes here is super lively, loud music. Everyone's having fun. Let's jump in and explore the coconut boat ride with me.
Here is our basket boat. Chào chị. Thank you chị.
Anh gái ở đâu?
Em ở Hà Nội. Em ở She's singing.
It's so green, so peaceful, and yes, it's hot. We're here around noon and I'm already melting, so I highly recommend you coming earlier.
Here to avoid the sun.
Mình cho đang ấy. Chặt ra lắc thúng đi quay.
Vâng, em sẽ lắc thúng, em sẽ trải nghiệm lắc thúng bởi vì
Chặt hai đứa quay trải nghiệm.
vâng. Oh, we have umbrella here.
Bà xoay tròn.
Rồi xoay tròn đi.
Xoay tiến lên đi. Xoay tiến lên đi, đừng xoay tròn.
We are driving the basket boat.
It's so hard to get it on the directions.
Yeah.
We're just spinning around. And she is still good for us.
Yeah.
She can drive it to the
Oh, beautiful. Yeah.
Vietnamese girls.
Ok, đẹp lắm á.
Đến chỗ nào đẹp đẹp chị bảo bọn em để
Bọn em check in.
Sao? Mặc hết mà.
It's time to wear the life vest here. Help me.
Cẩn thận cái điện thoại nha. Đừng có chơi mà cô lặn không được ấy.
Được chưa? Oh my gosh. This is my first time here. We have paddle.
Mỏi tay lắm con ơi.
Kia
Thấy dễ mà
trải nghiệm đủ rồi.
thấy dễ chứ không dễ nặng.
So, how do you feel?
You can hear everyone shouting the same line. It's chaotic, loud, and kind of iconic. Honestly, I love this energy. This coconut forest actually spans more than 7 hectares, and the trees grow naturally in brackish water. But during the Vietnamese War, this area served as a hiding spot for Vietnamese soldiers. Because of how thick and tall the coconut trees are, enemy aircraft couldn't see anything down here. There are photo stops along the way, and yeah, the boat guide is also your photographer. Post all you want, and he got you. And well, it's not a road traffic jam anymore. Welcome to the Vietnamese Water Traffic Jam Basketball Edition. Okay, time for some fun. The famous basketball dancing. Let's see how well it gets. Honestly, it looks normal from the outside. Until you're actually on it, I nearly lost my head.
Tiền đình ơi. It's spin around my head.
I was spinning like crazy. My head still recovering, but honestly, you have to try this in Hoi An. You just pay 100,000 Vietnam dong is nearly $4 for one spin if you dare. Totally optional. And right at this spot, you can even hop on and sing karaoke if you like. It's super hot today and I'm nearly exhausted, so I just chill and head back. I recommend going in the morning for this experience. So, is the coconut boat ride a must ride in Hoi An? You get to paddle your own boat, cruise through a stunning palm forest, take fun photos with the crowd, and if you are brave enough, try the option of spinning ride for just 100,000 down. Totally worth it. You can book the full tour with Gadt Travel. It includes round trip transfer from Da Nang and the boat ride fees. Like this video, give us a thumbs up and hit the bell so you don't miss what next in Vietnam.
Gadt Travel. Your smile, our happiness.